Array formulas process multiple values at once. A common example is summing a range where criteria match multiple conditions, just like this formula sum. If range E2 to A10 equals product A, comma, another range of B2 to B10, then close, enter. The answer is 1,200 to add all the product A. If I change the product A to product B, the answer would be 1,330. If I change the product B to product C, and I'm gonna total the product C, the answer will be 1,600. In older version of the Excel, you are required to press Control plus Shift plus Enter to apply an array formula. But in newer Excel versions support dynamic arrays, meaning no need for Control plus Shift plus Enter. That is for 2019 and 365 Excel.